Yeah.
I'm done, man. What you say?
I'm just dying, you know.
So your face looks so sour.
Well, I feel so sour that if you put me beside a glass of sugar and water, it bound to turn lemonade.
So what the problem?
I want a job, man. What, you don't have any?
But Oliver, you don't have no skill. Huh?
Skill? I can read and I can write. And last year, I almost passed my driving test.
The first time you almost passed driver's license disqualification. Why you never get it?
The car, man. The car, man.
The car?
The car no reverse and lick down one of the posts at the test place, man.
The car reverse.
Look here, no? Nobody believe about the point, you know. So, what, you don't know anything?
So you don't try to get to work at the place where I work in.
You are work?
What? Over 1 week now.
As what?
Security guard. You not see me?
Now it's my time to laugh. I thought them did have high standards for security guard.
Yeah, slander me there now.
It's liable.
Oliver, me the plan for recommend you at the place where I work in, but at this rate, me can't do it.
All right, Chuck. I look a joke me make man. Want you can't run joke. So tell me something. You said them have vacancies?
I did say so.
Where the place where you work name?
Dog Bite Them Incorporated.
Dog bite. Dog bite me.
Dog Bite Them, you idiot.
Boy, woman, you just scream as themselves. So when I can come take a test.
Just because they're mother, you know.
Yeah, he was like a son to her.
And she was like a mother to me.
So when we can really come take a test.
Monday morning, 9 o'clock.
All right, brother. Half, brother.
Cousin, will do.
All right, listen, nobody take a joke too far. Dog bite him. He really look like sitting with dog bite.
No, man, I say go. I call him and he hang up the phone, papi. No, but I say I go check him, but you be so busy. I look one little busy there, but couldn't get a chance. It look bad, though. I have to go check him. Yeah. So when you come check me? All right, pass through because we have to talk about this more.
So?
What it is?
What it is?
That's what I said. What it is?
I have a friend, you see?
Me too.
No, you don't understand.
You don't speak English?
I never say I don't.
I know you don't. What it is you want?
Oliver need a job.
Who name so?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. My friend Oliver need a job. Interview him now.
Where miss?
Outside.
Then I hold on there now. How him stay?
Him is a big, strapping fellow. Like Mike Tyson.
You mean?
Heavyweight.
Mike Tyson? The heavyweight boxing champion of the world?
Build like King Kong.
No. Well, what are you waiting for? Tell him to come in.
Yes, sir.
Child. Ready.
Excuse me.
What it is?
It is I, Oliver.
But you don't look like King Kong.
Lady, I am not a gorilla.
You could have fooled me.
Excuse me. What is all this thingy?
You certainly don't look like Mike Tyson to me, you know.
What? Him not a good-looking fella.
What it is you want, Mr. Oliver?
A job, lady.
So what you have in mind?
Anything you say. I'm willing to do anything.
But I don't know if you can do anything. You don't look to me like somebody who can do a thing.
You'd be surprised, lady. What about the vacancy job here?
So what you have in mind?
I say anything. anything. I can do almost anything.
You know to handle dogs?
Such as, how you mean?
Beat them, powder them, comb them here, and apply flea powder.
Listen, lady. One time, you see, when I was a little boy, I did have a little dog that my grandmother did give to me. Me say, me and the dog used to get on well, you see. Then one day, all of a sudden, the dog just developed a symptom, so I mean, I know
All right. I can see you have no use when it comes to dog business. You know to train dog to bite teeth and run them down?
To bite teeth and run them down?
Yes, bite teeth and run them down. That is part of the service provided by this organization. Dog Bite Them Incorporated.
Lady, them have a saying, you see, that barking dogs do not bite. And some other people will tell you that it's a dog's delight to bark and bite. Nevertheless, I feel that dog is man's best friend. You don't think so?
But what that have to do with all of this?
Well, if you would just be patient with me, lady. All I am trying to explain is that if you do not have the correct breed of dog, then you won't be able to train them to bite people and run them down. You get what I mean? Now, what sort of breed of dog you have in this outfit?
You trying to waste my time.
Shame on you, lady. How could I do that? But you see, if you want to be successful in business, that although there is some people that will swear on the Doberman pincher, there is another school of thought that believe in the bulldog when it comes to biting and holding on. Now, I have a uncle in St. Mary, you see, and me I tell you, man, that man did have a dog. He was a cross between Alsatian and a German Shepherd. Now, that dog did know if he hold on and bite you. When he ready to bite you, see, you can never extricate yourself. One time, you see, some parade that last night did come in at my uncle's yard, and me said the dog
Hold
them
on,
bucket.
all right. What you say your name was again?
Olivius Adams, alias Oliver. Me get that name from one of my relatives on my mother's side.
I can see you have no use when it comes to dog business.
That is not strictly true, you know, ma'am. But all I'm interested in, you see, is a job. I can do anything, you know. I am a jack of all trades. What I really want, you see, is to find out if you have an opening as a security guard like my friend, Oval.
You fit?
As a figure.
So how much you weigh?
Nearly 160 pounds. Or is it more? But I can weigh any amount you want, you know, lady. Even 200 pounds.
I'm talking about muscle, you know.
Muscles is what I talking about too.
Where you come from?
Third world.
That means you're underdeveloped and carrying a heavy burden of debt.
Lady, you mustn't listen to every news you hear, you know, and them calling program. Which radio station you listen to?
Make I tell you something? I conduct this interview. I ask the question.
Yes, ma'am.
You went to school?
Oh, you could ask me a question like that, lady.
Don't ask me no question, just answer.
I went to kindergarten, all-age garden, comprehensive, and such the likes. Me go to night school too, and Jamal.
How old are you?
21, last birthday.
That means you must have had a hard life here.
When we start life early, mature quick.
You ever go jail?
But suppose my mother ever you ask me them questions, the lady. You could have looked upon a decent, clean-cut, hard-working, God-fearing person like me and go ask me if me ever go to jail. Eh?
Why don't just answer the question? Why you hesitate? I say if you ever go jail.
Well, I never been detained yet.
You ever run foul of the law?
That I'm not chicken. I like how you put that. Nice, nice.
You ever run foul of the law?
Well, one time I was admonished to riding my bicycle without any brake light or bell. But that was a long time ago. They don't have anything against me. And nowadays, you know, lady, you can ride your bicycle so long as it have wheel and it have a rim and nobody don't say a thing to you. Not true?
Don't ask me no question.
Why is a cross, man?
You come here to get a job or to cross-examine me?
Well, one time, you see, I was planning to go into the